Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gon' cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me.
How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you?
It's just a 10.
Hey, how much you got on you?
It's a little 20.
How much you got on you?
It's just a 30.
How much you got on you?
I blow the 40.
How much you got on you?
I made it 50.
Hey, how much you got on you?
It turned it to 60.
How much you got on you?
Then I spent the 70.
Hey, how much you got on you?
It came back with 80.
Hey, how much you got on
I
you?
came with a whole
Hey, how much you got on you?
bitch, I got a lot.
Hey, how much you got on you?
Bitch, I wanna fuck me
Hey,
now.
how much you got on you?
She say I'm hot.
Hey, how much you got on you?
I got a lot.
Hey, how much you got on you?
Yeah, this a lot.
I got a lot on me,
I got a lot on me.
but that ain't a lot of me.
That ain't a lot to me.
Talking about money, money, money.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So y'all know how this Lowrider stuff go. There ain't one thing, it's another. So it took me a while to pretty much get the hydraulic set up. So the last video y'all seen was pretty much me fighting with the hydraulic system. I now got pressure to the front. I don't know what was going on with the front hydraulic pump. So I ended up pulling out of Miss Pearly. I'm gonna end up doing a whole different setup on Miss Pearly. So for the one, she's 86 Cutlass on hydraulics and everything. 3 pumps, four dumps. Layla is on 3 pumps. Pull it out a bit. I ended up ordering the Red's hydraulic pump head to go on the CCE. So I don't know if it's not lining up or what's going on. So I said, forget it. Took everything out of Miss Pearly. I changed the tanks out, changed the pump motors out, kept the motors that was in Layla, they're brand new Reds. So I wanted to run Reds everything, so it didn't really work out the way I wanted to. I do it on Miss Pearly. Miss Pearly gonna get Reds everything. So got all that taken care of. The rears, they went up, front going up and down. So finally breaking the springs in. So I've been driving it. I ran out of fuel. So that's the old tank right there. See how all chopped up it is. So got a new tank in the box. So I ran out of fuel. I can't go over half tank. Go over half tank. Start leaking fuel all over the place. So it is what it is. Like I said, the pumps that I got, they were used. Traded my wheels for them. My Milanos that I had on my Skyline. So traded those for them, so they were used, they weren't brand new. So I always keep that in mind whenever you're done with this stuff. So now everything I have in there is operating perfect. Everything goes up, down, 3-wheel, lays over, she'll hop if I want to, I'm not gonna hop her. So still working on the bugs, driving it as much as possible, make sure everything's good, make sure everything's flowing smoothly. So she's doing good for the most part. Like I said, new tanks going in, cause this one's all busted up. I'm pretty sure leaking here. The hose had a little crack in it right there. So most likely where I was losing fuel from, cause you were driving and you be going through fuel like crazy. This motor should not be going through fuel. It's 305, so it shouldn't be going through fuel the way it does. But I also could explain the reason it be stuttering. I be driving sometimes, so hopefully that fixes the solution. That's the solution to the problem right there. I'm gonna go in under the hood. I'm gonna change the fuel filter out and reroute everything so that way it's flowing smoother away from the headers and everything. Right now it's kind of close to the header and it's plastic, so I'm swapping that out, getting it taken care of. But yeah, so the tank got pretty slick down there. So that's out. New straps came in. I gotta order a new grommet because nothing's really wrong with this. It's straight. It's all good. Like it's not rusted through or anything. It's no major damage to it. So it'll do. And then I need to swap this out, and then stick this back in, and then get a new cap. Yeah. It's definitely been a journey. Everything's been going through. Haven't really had any major issues. I don't regret going on hydraulics with this car. I've been wanting to do it for years, and well, I haven't had a car for years, so I've been wanting an Impala on hydraulics for years. Big thanks to all the homies that helped me out. along the way. Rest in peace to the homie Jared. They did all the body work. Man. But yeah, we're pushing along with it. I just wanted to come in and give an update on everything that I'm doing. So yeah, hopefully back on the road. The new tank, it's coated and everything already. It's like a silver color, so it'll kind of somewhat blend in, not really under the car. I thought I was getting a raw one and getting it powder coated, but yeah, I ain't really worried about it. So it'll be on the car. Only time you see it when I go from 3 will be kind of dope shit. You really can't see it anyway. I ain't really worried about all that. As long as it holds fuel, that's all I really care about. As long as it holds fuel, I don't need it leaking all under the place. But can you really do? But anyway, that's all I got for y'all. Next video I'm gonna do is gonna be a cruising video. Try to have right there, take us to the beach, do some videos and everything. So more to come. But anyway, I just want to give y'all a little update on what's going on. Like I said, right now I'm dealing with this tank, new tank. Straps came in later, so all that to get replaced, and I'll be able to fill it all the way up and go a little further. Or I have to stop by a gas station every time I pass by one. It's kind of annoying, I ain't gonna lie. But anyway, I ain't gonna talk y'all ear off about random stuff. Till next time, keep it macking. Peace.